Hello everyone, it is a gorgeous morning here in Bengaluru and this is the trophy we are playing for. It's the final, South Zone versus Central Zone, and we are all set for day one. It is a 5-day gig. Ball 1 of the Duleep Trophy final. Yeah, Chetan Sharma loves that length, loves the fact that it doesn't let him leave the ball.
रन जाएंगे सीधे बल्ले के साथ मिड ऑफ से ये 4 रन आते हुए क्रॉस द लाइन। ये पहला विकेट जो हम तारीफ कर रहे थे कुमार कार्तिकेय की, कमाल की जगह पर गेंदबाजी, खराब शॉट खेला यहां पर काले ने, अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलने की कोशिश की और पूरी तरह चूके।
जबरदस्त शॉट हवा में पुल कर स्वीप करने की कोशिश, स्मरण के द्वारा दूसरी सफलता मिलती हुई कार्तिकेयन की, दूसरा झटका पर फिर पैडल स्वीप कर दिया, 4 रन।
Where is the sweep ball? Nothing.
Out ho gaya.
So if you sometimes worry, oh! The two batters have bumped into each other while taking the second run. Basics of cricket completely in the bin. That's the last thing they needed. It's tough out there against the bowlers, and now they've bumped into each other and knocked themselves over.
ना सिर्फ कदमों का इस्तेमाल था, उस सही जगह का चयन भी किया।
Oh, what a beauty! What an absolute beauty!
अंपायर की तरफ एक नजर, जी हाँ, उन्होंने कहा कि बस इतना ही। पहले दिन के पहले स्तर की अगर हम बात करें तो पहले सेशन,
But that's the story of the first session of first day.
कुमार कार्तिकेय कमाल की गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा किया। कुमार कार्तिकेय की बात करें,
Two reviews there. That's a near thing. That is a near thing. Yes, it took his time. Madan Gopal, he's a good umpire. Now he's asked for a review.
Pitching in line, impact in line. Wickets umpire's call. Original decision is out. Madan, you can stay with your decision of out. You're on screen, Madan. You can signal out. Thank you.
That's nicely played. Beautifully played. That is what you need to go. First positive shot from Salman's bat.
This will though. Excellent piece of timing. Little fuller on to the legs and beautifully caressed past that mid-on fielder. Oh! He stepped out and missed one. That was the way he was playing, but I reckon he's just played over this one.
देखने के लिए थी ना। 4 मिलेंगे यहाँ पे बड़ी देर के बाद।
Gone! Is he gone? Yes, he is.
Tossed up delivery, अच्छा bounce और हाथ से छिटका जरूर था। और ये कमाल का कैच रजत पाटीदार के द्वारा, कोई मौका नहीं गवा रहे।
Oh, given. I thought it was going down the leg side. Review taken.
Pitching in line, impact in line. Wickets umpire's call. Original decision is out. You're on screen, you can signal out, Mohit. Thank you.
Excellent decision.
रन जाएंगे बिल्कुल सीधा और सबसे सेफ शॉट।
Oh, they both are feeling so much better. Suddenly they become best of friends.
Big appeal and he's given. He goes for the review straight up. He's reviewing it.
Pitching in line, impact in line. Wickets hitting. Original decision is out. Madan, you can stay with your decision of out. I'll tell you when you're on screen. You're on screen, you can give out.
बहुत
Thank
ही
you, Madan.
बेहतरीन अंपायरिंग मदन गोपाल की आज रही।
Well, now the real work starts because the bowlers have done the job. They're cooling their heels. They've got their foot in the ice bath. What about the batters now?
क्या इस विकेट से तेज गेंदबाज साउथ जोन के तेज गेंदबाज वो मदद ले पाते हैं जो सेंट्रल जोन के तेज गेंदबाज नहीं ले पाते?
And that'll go to the boundary. Played with soft hands, didn't quite. Oh, beautiful. Rank half volley. Hopefully it doesn't give you 4 runs.
Oh, beautifully clipped off the pads. This will get to the fence. Excellent timing as well.
50 बिना किसी नुकसान के.
Zone won the toss, asked South Zone to bat first. 149 is all they mustered. Saranj 5, Karthike 4. And
Day 2 सेशन 1 पहला बॉल दूसरे दिन का. दिशा से थोड़े भटके थे लेकिन थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट हालांकि बल्लेबाज को बीट करने के बाद हुआ.
that's the reason why he's as good as he is. He gives you nothing and then he comes up with a ball like that.
Gone! He's a gonzo. They've been working on this throughout the over. And finally, they reap the rewards.
Oh, that's nicely played. Beautifully driven through covers for 4. And with this, he completes his 50. Danish Maliva, he has been a pick of the batters. He's getting better and better with every innings. Look at that.
चार रन आएंगे यहाँ पर. बिल्कुल बल्ले के नीचे कुछ ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं. सीधे बल्ले के साथ.
Oh, yes. Give it and gone. What a bowling.
Gorgeous. Why is he so revered? Why is he known as someone who's so pleasing to the eye?
In the air, but it'll be 4. Oh, good shot. That's going to be 4.
Oh.
आखिरी गेंद लंच से पहले आखिरी गेंद काफी नीचे रही. भाग्यशाली रहे वहां रजत पाटीदार.
Be thinking there's a decent effort in that first session.
That's nicely played. And the left-right combination is definitely going to put pressure on him.
4th consecutive 50 in first class cricket. Is a special batter. Makes batting. That's over mid-on. Overcompensates. Was the short ball. Then he's gone fuller. And Rajat Patidar says it doesn't matter where long on is. No boundary is big enough when I go for it.
That's another 50 to his name. It is 950 in first class cricket. And what a wonderful way to get there.
दिशा से भटके थे और बिल्कुल सही नसीहत दी यश राठौर ने. अच्छा कलाइयों को कोई मौका नहीं. मिड ऑन फील्डर के पास 4 रन.
Oh, it's a cheeky single. Has he got it? Yep. Another brilliant 100 from Rajat Patidar. His 15th in his career. Second as captain.
ग्लव लगा है. जी हाँ, बिल्कुल लगा है. जिस तरीके से उस गेंद को नीचे रखना चाहते थे, 2 फील्डर वहां पर पीछे थे, लेकिन बल्ले और गेंद का संपर्क नहीं हुआ, पर हल्का सा ग्लव्स लगा.
Pound.
जी हाँ, एकदम से आवाज आई थी.
Ooh. Where is the dive from Smaran? Where is the desperation from South Zone? You're behind in the game. 127 run lead. The bails are off the groove, which means that we are breaking for tea.
दूसरे दिन किस तरीके से खेल चला है। पहले सेशन में 30 ओवर का खेल हुआ, सिर्फ 3 ही विकेट गिरे, 100 से ज्यादा रन बने। तो सेशन में अक्सर कम रन बनते हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद सेकंड सेशन में आप देखिए 23 ओवर के खेल में 124 रन।
New ball is due in 8 overs.
एक कमाल का शॉट खेलते हैं ये, बिल्कुल गेंद के ऊपर आए और गैप में खेल।
Oh, there it is. Left of point. 7th first class 100 for this very hard-working cricketer. Very unassuming, but very, very good indeed.
Oh, अच्छा कदमों का इस्तेमाल, बड़ा हिट, 6 रन।
He goes with a straight bat. And now he's gone in between mid-wicket and the long-on fielder.
He just trying to hang in there. Saransh is also saying, I will hang in there as well. I will get some runs.
That'll go for 4.
ओवर की समाप्ति, और इस ओवर की समाप्ति के साथ आज के खेल की भी समाप्ति। तो ये है हाल मैच का। दूसरे दिन की समाप्ति पर साउथ जोन ने 149 रन बनाए, सेंट्रल जोन अभी भी 5 विकेट हाथ में, लेकिन लीड इनकी है 235 रन की।
बहुत ही मजबूत स्थिति में है।
Yeah, just going back to Yash Rathore, like you said, you know, I spoke to him after they won the Ranji Trophy final last year. And when Chetan spoke to him this morning, I saw another person.
जैसे इनके लिए इतना सिंपल है, जो बॉलें वहां नहीं थी आराम से छोड़ी और जहां मौका मिला उसी।
Oh, good throw that. 150 up for Rathod.
He's grounded his bat, satisfied, ready for the big screen decision.
150 रन पूरे यश राठौड़, 960 रन बनाए इस युवा खिलाड़ी ने पिछले सीजन में, हाईएस्ट रन गेटर था रणजी ट्रॉफी में, और आगाज बहुत अच्छा हुआ इस सीजन का। कमाल है, मजा आया बल्लेबाजी देखकर। कदमों का इस्तेमाल, 6 रन आएंगे यहां पर।
Finally, one shot too many for Saransh. He goes for the reverse. Ball is too full.
आखिरकार विकेट मिली साउथ जोन।
एक बार फिर बेहतरीन शॉट, कमाल की बल्लेबाजी करते हुए एक और छक्का उनके बल्ले से आता हुआ। He's dealing in boundaries. चौके छक्कों में व्यवहार कर रहे हैं दीपक चहर।
And that's the first session on day 3 done. He's moved on to a quick fire 37. 100.
Yeah, it's been hard work for Gurjapneet.
4 और इस चौके के साथ 500 रन बोर्ड के ऊपर।
Oh, finally, one that creeps through. Gurjapneet has been pegging away and he has been rewarded.
ये लगा है बारी किनारा, जी हाँ लगा है।
Hence, giving him less purchase. Yeah, he's got one here, but it's the job not quite done for the team.
Up in the air, up in the air. Fielder getting under it. And that's the end of Aditya Thackeray out for 1-5-1-1 all out central zone. Oh, beautiful ball. There is something in the wicket still for medium pace. Oh, beautifully bowled. It was an outside edge. First boundary too.
फुल टॉस, कलाइयों का अच्छा उपयोग, वहां पर एफर्ट जरूर मारा था। एक बार फिर से वो यॉर्कर जिसका मैं जिक्र कर रहा था वो करने की कोशिश, और फाइन लेग का खिलाड़ी तो है ही नहीं। लगातार 2 चौके। अच्छा कदमों का इस्तेमाल, ये अच्छी शुरुआत है साउथ जोन के द्वारा।
TV umpire to director. we have a run out referral at the wicket keeper's end. Can you give me a best side on, please? He's grounded his bat, running forward, satisfied, ready for the big screen decision.
That's a not out, surely. Third day's play, first.
Oh, full toss. And it got the treatment it deserved. Bit of a gift there for Smaran. Oh, he's gone. That's flicked the bail.
हाँ अंपायर्स चाहेंगे थर्ड अंपायर चेक करें.
Okay. Yeah, the ball has knocked off the bails. I'm ready for the big screen decision.
Done, man.
Oh, बेहतरीन शॉट, अच्छा ड्राइव, पुश ड्राइव कर दिया. 4. बेहतरीन शॉट ऑफ द बैक फुट, सिर्फ टाइम भर कर दिया. रिकी बॉय कमाल के खिलाड़ी.
गेंद काफी देर हवा में है और सीमा रेखा के बाहर भी. शानदार संपर्क यहाँ गेंद और बल्ले के बीच में.
थोड़ा विकेट में फर्क, थोड़ा ओवर डिफेंसिव क्रिकेट है, उसके चलते 149 पर आउट हुए थे, 129 पर 2. और जैसी लाइट नजर आ रही है उससे यकीनन आप तेज गेंदबाज को गेंदबाजी नहीं करवा सकते. और अंपायर्स बात करते हैं, कैप्टन के साथ बात करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर लाइट कहीं ना कहीं समस्या है.
Panned out so far. Central Zone won the toss, put South Zone in. Everybody was baffled. Why so? 149, Central Zone 5-1-1. South Zone 129 for 2, trailing by 233 runs. Ball 1 it is. Oh my God! No, that'll be too far outside of stump. Yeah. That's really good to see. He's not going to let Saranjit settle down. He's not going to say you can keep bowling on.
बारी किनारा. बड़ी देर से इसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि कब ललचाएंगे वो उन्हें.
That's nicely hit. Nicely hit. Azharuddin is a good striker. He's a dasher. He's a big hitter. He's not going to take things lying down. And he is not to forget the skipper of South Zone. That's up in the air. This time, he has picked up a wicket. Third time lucky. Karthikeyan.
गेंद हवा में, मौका बनेगा क्या? बना भी और अब की बार गलती भी नहीं की. पाटीदार ही थे फील्डर, क्योंकि जब तक कैच पकड़ी नहीं थी तब तक सबकी नजर उसी पर थी.
और ये एक और विकेट. स्मरण स्वीप करने की कोशिश, हम नीचे रख नहीं पाए. यश राठौड़ वहां पर मौजूद थे, सीधा उनके हाथ में कैच गया स्क्वायर लेग पर. और अब
That will also go to the boundary. It's an excellent piece of timing and beautifully placed as well.
ये लीजिए कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया. कदमों का इस्तेमाल करना पसंद है इस युवा खिलाड़ी को. चलिए, समय हो गया है इस लंच का. तो लंच के समय 249, 6 विकेट के नुकसान पर साउथ जोन इस सत्र में 35 ओवर 120 रन.
But ball is turning square, especially when Karthikeyan's bowling. That's nicely played. He's a good attacking player. He's got a chance. Slog swept for 4. Run.
Whoa, he's gone for the bluff. He's bowled that up front. He's taking the right leg away and he's gone to 50. 13-15, first class cricket enough. Whoa. It looked like left-handed Mohammad Azharuddin.
Stand and deliver.
No. Nicely played. Well behind it. I've got this as well. Yep. Nice shadow as well. Rock solid behind the ball. We're in for a long haul over here, he's telling everybody.
जी, यह संकेत है कि चौथे दिन चाय का समय हो गया है. 23 ओवर हुए इस सेशन में जहां पर 86 रन बने।
6 विकेट्स हैं अभी तक सारास चैन की।
Oh, good shot. He'll pick up 4. Don't bother running for that.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल बिल्कुल सीधा, और 50 रन भी अपने पूरे किए।
Oh, that's beautiful. He clipped. Just found that gap between deep mid wicket and long on with the spin. Very safe shot. But he also will bowl a lot of freebies because he doesn't bowl regular. That's in the gap. Will it go all the way? Yeah. Footwork not good enough.
ओ बेहतरीन शॉट, एक और चौका। दिशा से भटके थे, सिर्फ गाइड पर कर दिया। अच्छा स्वीप कर दिया।
Oh, up in the air! He's up in the air! Rajat Patidar is underneath it! He's deserved the 100. He's batted so well. He's smashing his helmet with his bat. Yeah, could have been that. The pressure did get to him.
Oh, good catch. Good catch. He's walking. Maliwar, the fielder there. And the 8th wicket falls.
Oh, nice. He's hit the stumps. Now they'll have another look over here. It's all happening.
One more frame forward. Yeah, you can freeze it here. The bails are coming.
Oh, that's a massive hit. Oh, this could be a really good stumping if it happens.
Couple of frames. Yeah, you can freeze it here. The foot is in the air. I see the bails are completely removed from the top. I have a decision for the big screen.
Yeah, that is out because he's just stumbled upon and lost balance over there, has Kaushik. Session 1, 120 runs, 4 wickets. Session 2 was missed the action. This is how the game panned out in the last 4 days. Central Zone won the toss, put South Zone in. The bowlers did the jobs, the spinners, then the Central Zone came out to bat and the batters did the job. And South Zone said, we've taken a cue out of how you batted in the first innings and we'll put up a fight. 426 is what they got. The stars, Ankit, Siddharth and Smaran, but Ankit was outstanding, 99 of 168. He's a senior pro, plays as a professional. In the India A squad against Australia A, led by Rajat Patidar. So just after 6 first-class games, India A, Rohan. Whoa, it's gone. That's the ball he was looking for.
It'll be another boundary. 2 consecutive boundaries.
इम्प्रेस किया इस तेज गेंदबाज ने, इसी की बात कर रहे थे हम। बाहरी किनारा, आप इस जगह डालते रहिए, भागे कुछ समय तक साथ देगा बल्लेबाज का, आखिरकार आपको विकेट मिलेगी और वैसे ही और ये एज लगा, ये एज लगा है, ऑन साइड पे खेलने की कोशिश।
Look at that, look at that. Another crashing cover drive by Patidar. There it is, up in the air. And there it goes. Wicket number 4 goes down for Central Zone.
और ये है वो शॉट जिसके बारे में हम जिक्र कर रहे थे, और सही मायनों में उसी बल्लेबाज के बल्ले से आया जिसने कमाल की पारी इस मैच में खेली है। सर्वाधिक स्कोर पहली पारी में बनाए थे और वही अंतर रहा इस मैच में। जब आप इस तरीके से एक विनिंग शॉट लगाते हैं और अपनी टीम को खिताबी जीत जिताने के लिए अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान देते हैं। 194 पहली पारी में और फिर 13 नाबाद।
And what I'm feeling it is, we all have won Relief Trophy during our time.
See First Bank Dilip Trophy 2025 from VVS Lakshman for the 7th time in 10 years.